Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Shibu John, Managing Editor, 3D Graphy News, which is an online portal promoting 3D technology, which consists of 3D printing, 3D visualization, 3D simulation, 3D software, and also scanning solutions, 3D scanning solutions, and very, very important printable materials. So material science is also one of our key areas which we try and proliferate and try to propagate. And as an information source, this platform has been actively actively been promoting the technology, connecting with industries like aerospace, defense, engineering, heavy industries, oil and gas, dental, medical, orthopedics. So the list is big. And where all this technology can be used, we're trying to see that how we can connect cords with experts and also the end users who is looking at these solutions. And today I have an opportunity to connect with one of the senior respondents. It's my privilege to connect with Dr. Jayesh Bellare, who is the Institute Chair Professor with in the Chemical Engineering Department, and also a key respondent of IIT Bombay. Dr. Jayesh Bellare, thank you so much for your time that you have given us. I would like to ask you about what is the prospects of this 3D technology and where has it been useful in your area of research and development?
There is a great need on behalf of surgeons to have regenerative medicine products. This is where the implant or the surgical device assists the human body to heal itself by regenerating tissue. An example we have here is this regenerative 3D scaffold or sponge that we have developed over the years. It is a material that is soft and spongy. It can be stuffed into bony defects and it encourages the bone to grow. At the same time, it disappears over a period of time as the osteoblasts and osteoclasts work on this and regenerate natural bone. We've adapted this technology now to 3D printing, wherein we make these as a combination of hard and soft tissue, which then the body accepts easily and can be used by surgeons in products such as this, where there is the jaw with a defect. This defect is to be removed. Once the defect is removed, it can be substituted by this 3D printed implant, which matches exactly the shape and size of the defect. It is a hard tissue which is resorbable over a longer period of time, filled with a soft tissue which encourages fast infiltration and incorporation into the bone. Similar such devices are used in multiple modes of medicine and surgery, and these new materials, patented and available to manufacturers to incorporate into their devices, is the future of material science applications towards medicine and medical products, particularly in the implant and regenerative medicine. And we are delighted to be part of this effort, wherein we help surgeons help the patient help heal themselves in turn, so that there is no need for any long-term implant left behind in the body, which may cause issues much later in life.
One more question that I would want to understand, Doctor. In the pharmaceutical, industry, I mean, I'm sure many of the pharmaceutical companies would need, this technology in terms of absorbing, the efforts of even having bioprinters in terms of for drug testing. If you can just broadly elaborate your understanding on that subject, sir.
There is a great need to reduce or eliminate use of animals and in fact humans in testing new medicines and medical devices. With today's technology, it is possible to build substitute organs which may not function in the body but function outside and can be used for testing of drugs, devices and medical implants, and bring them to a high level of achievement, so that at present the animal testing cannot be totally avoided but can be significantly reduced, and 3D printing provides an opportunity to build up an artificial organ in terms of its structure, its anatomy, its physiology and its function over a limited period of time at least. And in future, this holds great promise if the length of function of this device can be improved significantly, in which case it can then lead to an entire artificial organ which can be implanted inside. And therefore, 3D printing provides a great way of achieving this goal of first substituting for animal trials and subsequently for regenerative medicine and artificial organs. Thank you.
Doctor, one more thing that we'll need to understand is with this 3D Graphic Engineering and Medical 2023 as an initiative, how is it going to actually help the students in the academia and also the industry that we're looking at in terms of active participation to benefit from this event?
Experts are going to talk about the latest technologies, both from an applied viewpoint, be it in the industry or be it in medicine and surgery or be it in the dental field and maxillofacial field. These together with the latest research coming out of academic institutions as well as research labs is going to fuel the newer materials, the newer printers, the newer devices and the newer 3D printed products which are going to now revolutionize both industry as well as medicine.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and it was a pleasure connecting with you and speaking to you. And all the best for your research and development that you've been doing very actively. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Shiva.